Challenge-based learning is a set of 7 principles, and it helps teachers to guide their students to becoming problem solvers and critical thinkers. And because of challenge-based learning, my students are able to know, understand, and do everything I'm asked of them and understand my expectations ahead of time. Challenge-based learning motivates students to become lifelong learners by making connections between what they're learning and how they can apply it to the real world today. We teach our students to become effective leaders by sparking their curiosity and preparing them to think forward to their futures. We encourage our students to work collaboratively on every task that we've given them. They often work in teams, and that only enables them to continue problem solving.
We love for the kids to have hands-on learning opportunities. We engage them in experiential learning, which includes dressing up in costumes, experiencing model seders for Tu B'Shvat and Passover, creating projects, making food, and doing all the things that make our holidays fun, exciting, and continue between the generations.
I use challenge-based learning in my classroom by making sure that my students always know what's expected of them. So each and every lesson and each and every unit, my students will have an idea of what they need to know, understand, and what they need to do. And students are often checking in with me about that throughout the unit as well. This allows students to take ownership of what they're learning. One example of how we use challenge-based learning at our school is through our science program called Mystery Science, where students work together in teams as problem solvers. Students are presented with a problem and they have to work collaboratively to find solutions, and oftentimes students work as engineers to design and redesign to solve those problems. Through challenge-based learning, our students become more empathetic, more aware, and are able to understand what life is like not just within their own community, but in others, and apply what they've learned in school to what's going on in communities around the world. Challenge-based learning includes tiered learning, where students are not only working together, but work independently. They're provided with enrichment opportunities and intervention opportunities as needed. This targets multiple types of learners and allows them to feel successful and take ownership in any type of lesson that we're working through. Students learn and grow leadership skills when each task that they're given has a meaningful purpose. Because of challenge-based learning, students are excelling because they know what's expected of them. Everything we ask our students to do is not only practical, it comes in a sequential order, and students are able to attach a meaning to what they're working on. Students are able to showcase their strengths and really contribute to the whole classroom community through the approach we call challenge-based learning.